Glassbox Services.
Hello everyone! Today I will show you how we install a standard size sliding window. Pagkatapos maiayos ang kanyang frame to its accurate position, that's the time na pwede mo na siyang lagyan ng butas or screw. 4 holes each side, and then just polish each hole with portable screwdriver. It is common and necessary that once the installation is performed on a concrete window jamb, kailangan talaga gumamit ng hooks and screw to make strong foundation for a window glass. After installing the aluminum jamb, yun na yung time na subukan mong isukat yung window panel ng sliding window mo. That is to check if wheel-fitted ba siya. Smooth ba yung function ng wheels niya? Yan din yung time na to take proper adjustments to assure your installation is functional and works properly. We used to remove the adhesive stickers only during installation. That is to avoid aluminum scratch during fabrication. As per customer's request, we use center lock style for our sliding windows, way much easier to use. It will be hard to lock the windows once it is not properly installed. If there is jump differences, it takes time for proper adjustments. It is recommended to seal your sliding windows using silicone sealant both inside and out to avoid water leakage during heavy rains. And that's it. Dark gray sliding window with analog aluminum frame. Project done.